All right. Now we're doing freeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms, data structures beta, learn form validation by building a calorie counter, step 14. All right. So now it's time to start writing the script that makes our form work. So to access an HTML element with a given ID name, we can use the getElementById method. All right, so let's go a little bit deeper into that. So if we type getElementById into the Google bar and just click the MDM web docs right here, we can see, let me get this out of the way, that white border or banner out of here. So the getElementById method of the document interface, returns an element object representing the element whose ID property matches the specific string, right? Since element IDs are required to be unique if specified, they're a useful way to get access to a specific element quickly. If we need to get access to an element which does not have an ID, we can use the query selector to find the element using any selector, right? So basically it's the same as using this query selector, except for we're just going to use IDs, and it's going to be, I guess, quicker on running it or something like that. So let's come over here and do that. So here's an example of how to use this method. So we have this main title H1 with the ID of title right here. And then we've got const main title element equals document getElementById, and then it's going to have title right here inside of quotes. And that's going to be targeting this ID right here. So it's going to be targeting this element, right? So we're going to begin by getting the form element using the ID and storing it in a variable called a calorie counter, right? So to get that, we're going to start by saying const calorie counter, right? And that's going to equal document dot get element by ID. And then we're going to have some quotes, right? So we're going to have to go find the form element to get the ID for it. So let's come over here to the HTML tab and let's go down and find it. So we've got the form right here, and the ID is going to be calorie counter like this. So let's just highlight this and copy it. And then we'll just put it right in between here. Let's get rid of this index.html and then check the code. Looks good, and submit it. All right. Now we're on to step 15, and we'll see you next time.